Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Some people say that a cluttered desk is the sign of a clean mind. I'm not one of those people. I like a clean desk, even though on the average day you may not see a clean desk around here. I do try to keep my keyboards clean, and keyboards are probably one of the worst peripherals when it comes to collecting dust and other junk. To clean your keyboard, you could use a variety of methods. Some people just use a can of compressed air and blow out the dirt and debris, because believe me, it's there. All these hairs on the head, they got to go somewhere, and they usually fall in between the cracks of the keys. Another thing people might do is take some cleaning solution and run like a Q-tip in between the keys, being careful if it's, of course, alcohol-based to rub on top of the keys, because by doing that you may be effectively rubbing out the lettering on the actual keys. And if you know how to touch type, it's a big deal, but if you're like my father, well, let's just say hilarity will ensue in all upcoming emails. Well, at least from him. So another suggestion that I would give people is to actually turn the keyboard upside down and shake it for a while. And I haven't done this on this particular keyboard for it's probably been about 6 months. So we're going to see what falls out, and I'm just going to show you what kind of junk can collect in between your keys. Alright, we got a nice wide open area in the keyboard here. Let's give it a couple shakes. Oh, dude. Oh, this is nasty. Yuck. Of course, I probably shouldn't be doing this over the carpet, but oh, I got a vacuum cleaner. Yep, you can't see the hairs coming out, but they're coming. They're just falling like... Well, a pencil with Darth Vader on it got in there. Look at that. A pencil with Darth Vader on it. Alright. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, now this is getting ridiculous here. Oh, no, I don't believe it. I simply, no, that's impossible. No, this has got to be a joke. No, it's just crazy. No, there's no way this junk is sitting here in my keyboard. There's no way this whole thing. Oh, that's where it went. I've got a 10% coupon code at GoDaddy.com if I use the code Chris1, CHRIS and the number 1. Oh, that's great. I've been looking for that forever. Who had any idea? Let's see if we got anything else. I'm feeling lightheaded.